Hello, my name's Dr. Hartley Atkinson. I'm the CEO and co-founder of AFT Pharmaceuticals. I'd like to present some top-line results today for our FY25 financial year. I'd just like to mention to check out the disclaimer at the end of this presentation as well. And also please feel free to look at our full results presentation slide, which is on the AFT section of the website of the NZX. So just to give you a brief overview of the FY25 highlights, operating revenue grew to $208 million, which was 6%. If one looks at sales and royalties, that was double-digit growth to 11%. So once again, that's ongoing growth we've had year on year for literally 25 years. Australian sales growth we're very pleased with, which is our main market. It grew by 17%, and profit as well was very good, with 65% improvement in the Australian market in the last financial year. We did make quite a lot of investment a year ago or so in the Australian market, which last year depressed profits a bit, and we're pleased to see those really well and truly vindicated by the great result in Australia this financial year. The balance sheet, that's strong. The net debt has further decreased, and we are pleased to declare an increased dividend of 1.8 cents per share in comparison with the 1.6 cents per share that we were able to pay last year. Part of what's going on as well, though, is we do have a lot of investment, though, as well. We're building a global footprint in targeted markets. Historically, we've had Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and Hong Kong. And a few years ago, we started up in the UK and also in Europe, based out of Ireland. But we've also just recently added Canada. We've added a small startup site in the US, in Detroit. And we've also started up in South Africa as well, based out of Cape Town. So those sites will start to generate sales this financial year. But, there's a lot of investment going on into those sites. And as well as that, we do have a strong development pipeline, which sometimes we think is probably overlooked. We have 8 patented products that are presently in drug development. Had some very exciting additions in the last financial year. We added a late-stage new chemical entity, iron injection, to our portfolio, which requires a large, significant phase 3 study. But, it's relatively close to market, and the iron injectable market is an exciting pharma market at the moment, with sales projected to grow to around $7.4 billion by the year 2034. And this is an interesting product, one we're really looking forward to completing our clinical development program for. So in terms of guidance, even with all this investment going on, we're still looking at improved guidance in terms of profit to $20 to $24 million operating profit for this FY26 financial year. And we're targeting our aspirational target of revenue level of 300 million by the end of FY27. So really have got a lot of growth plans, a lot of investment from growth, but we're still paying improved dividends. We're increasing our profit guidance, and look, we're really looking forward to growing this business and realizing what it can be. So thank you very much for your attention, and please feel free to look to the full presentation as well. Thank you.